Girls do this to hit on you and how you should respond. Hey there, it's Anna. Ever found yourself in a situation where a girl seems to be hitting on you, but you are not entirely sure how to respond? Today we're going to crack this code. We will explore the ways that girls hit on guys and, importantly, how you should respond to these advances. It's not just about recognizing the signs, it's also about understanding the best way to react, whether you are interested or not. And by the end of this video, you will have a clearer understanding of these flirtatious interactions and the confidence to handle them like a pro. And don't miss out on a crucial bonus tip at the end of our discussion. It's a key insight that will greatly enhance your understanding and approach. This piece of advice is invaluable for navigating these interactions effectively. Stay tuned for it. Subtle flirting and recognizing the cue. Kicking off our exploration, let's delve into the realm of subtle flirting. Understanding these understated signals is often the key to deciphering her interest. We will uncover what these gestures might include and how you can adeptly tune into these nuanced cues. Subtle flirting can take many forms and often goes unnoticed. It might be a lingering look, a playful touch, or even the tone of her voice. Pay attention to body language, like if she leans in closer when talking or laughs at your jokes more often than usual. Also, note her verbal cues, such as compliments or teasing remarks that feel more personal. Recognizing these cues is about being observant and attuned to changes in her behavior when she's around you. It's understanding the difference between friendly and flirtatious interactions, which can be nuanced but distinct. Once you recognize these subtle flirting cues, respond in a way that matches your comfort level and interest. If you are interested, reciprocate with similar body language or engage more in the conversation. A smile, maintaining eye contact, or contributing to the playful banter can show your interest. If you're not interested, respond politely but don't mirror the flirting. Keep the interaction friendly and respectful without encouraging further flirtation. Body language cues and reading the signs. Now let's focus on mastering the art of reading body language cues. Interpreting these non-verbal signs is crucial in understanding her intentions. We will explore the key signals to watch for and how to respond to them effectively. Body language can often communicate more than words. Look for cues like prolonged eye contact, mirroring your movements, or finding reasons to close the physical distance. These actions can indicate attraction and interest. Other signs include playing with her hair, facing her body towards you, or subtle touches. Being observant of these gestures will give you insights into her feelings. It's about noticing these consistent patterns in her behavior when she's around you. Responding to body language cues should align with your feelings and intentions. If you are interested, mirror some of her body language to show reciprocity. Simple actions like leaning in during conversation or returning a playful touch can convey your mutual interest. If you're not interested, maintain a friendly but neutral body posture. Keeping a respectful physical distance and avoiding flirtatious gestures can help in conveying your stance without being discourteous. Casual touches and reciprocating comfortably. Moving on to our next insight, let's consider the significance of casual touches. These small gestures can be telling. We will examine how to notice these touches and how to reciprocate in a way that respects both your comfort but also hers. Casual touches such as a light brush on the arm or a playful nudge can be subtle indicators of flirting. These gestures are often spontaneous and can signify a desire to create a closer connection. Pay attention to the context and frequency of these touches, as they can give you a better understanding of her intentions. It's important to observe whether these touches seem natural and comfortable as part of your interactions. And your response to casual touches should reflect your level of comfort and interest. So if you are comfortable and interested, a light reciprocal touch can signal your receptiveness. This could be a gentle touch on the back, a brief pat on the arm. However, if you're not interested or prefer to maintain that personal space, it's perfectly okay to respectfully keep your interactions touch-free. You can do this by subtly shifting your stance or gently deflecting the touch in a friendly manner. The key is to maintain a balance between respect for her gestures and your personal boundaries. Seeking your help and offering assistance kindly. Next, let's examine the dynamics of her seeking your help. Now, it's often more than just needing assistance. It can be a way to initiate closer interaction. Let's explore how to recognize these moments and how you can offer help in a kind and respectful manner. When a girl asks for your help, whether it's something big or small, it can be a significant way of signaling her trust and interest in you. This might include asking for your opinion on a personal matter, seeking assistance with a task, or needing support for a project. These requests can be opportunities for her to engage with you on a more personal level. It's important to discern whether these are genuine requests for help or a means to foster a deeper connection. Your response to her request for help should be considerate and respectful. If you are able to assist, do so in a way that is helpful and kind without overstepping boundaries. Offering your support shows that you are approachable and caring. However, if you are unable to help or feel that the request is beyond your comfort zone, it's okay to politely decline or suggest alternative solutions. The key is to respond in a way that maintains both your integrity and respect for her request. And before we jump into the next point, like what you're seeing, don't forget to like this video and also leave a comment. Your interaction makes a big difference. Playful teasing and joining the fun. As we delve into our fifth tip, consider the role of playful teasing in flirtation. It's a common way to create a light, fun atmosphere. Let's look at how to recognize this form of flirtation and how you can engage in the banter in a way that's enjoyable for both of you. Playful teasing often involves light-hearted jokes, witty remarks, or fun challenges. It's a way for her to interact with you in a relaxed and engaging manner. Pay attention to the tone and content of the teasing because it should be friendly and positive without crossing into discomfort. This type of interaction is a means to break the ice and show her easygoing side. It often indicates a level of comfort and a desire to connect with you in a more playful way. Responding to playful teasing involves joining in on the fun while maintaining respect and kindness. If you enjoy the banter, reciprocate with your own light-hearted teasing. It's an opportunity to show your sense of humour and personality. However, always be mindful of boundaries and ensure the teasing remains friendly and respectful. If the teasing makes you uncomfortable, it's okay to steer the conversation towards a more neutral topic in a polite way. The goal is to keep the interaction enjoyable and comfortable for both parties. Suggesting to hang out and accepting gracefully. Point 6 brings us to an important aspect of interaction, responding to her invitations to hang out. It's not just about accepting or declining, it's about doing so gracefully. Let's explore these situations. Now, whether you are interested in spending more time with her or not, when she suggests hanging out, it's often a clear sign of her wanting to spend more time with you and to get to know you better. Now, this can range from casual outings to more planned events. Her initiative in this regard is a strong indicator of interest, and how you respond to these suggestions can significantly impact the direction of your relationship or friendship with her. Now, if you are interested in hanging out with her, accept the invitation in a friendly and enthusiastic manner. Express your excitement or interest in the activity she's suggesting. It's important to be genuine in your response, as sincerity can greatly enhance the interaction. If you're not interested or the timing just isn't right, decline politely. Offer a brief but honest reason if appropriate, and if you're still interested in future interactions, you might suggest an alternative time or activity. The key is to be respectful and clear in your communication, ensuring that your response aligns with your feelings and intentions. Finding reasons to contact you and responding promptly. Concluding our list, point 7 addresses how she might find various reasons to contact you. Now, this behaviour is a subtle hint at her interest. So let's understand the nuances of these interactions and how to respond appropriately, keeping the conversation flowing smoothly. When a girl frequently finds reasons to reach out to you, whether it's asking a question, seeking your opinion, or just sending a random update, it indicates that she wants to keep the communication lines open. These attempts to initiate contact are often her way of showing interest and keeping you in her thoughts. It's important to notice the context and frequency of these contacts, as they can give insights into her level of interest. Responding promptly and engagingly is key when she reaches out. And if you're interested, this is your chance to continue the conversation and to deepen the connection. Show interest in what she is saying and ask follow-up questions. And of course, share relevant bits about your own life. If you are not interested in pursuing anything further, a polite but less engaging response can help set the tone of your interaction. It's crucial to be respectful and considerate in your replies, ensuring clear communication while maintaining a friendly tone. Bonus tip, reflect on your own feelings and intentions. It is crucial to reflect on your own feelings and intentions because this self-awareness is key in navigating these interactions effectively. So let's dive into why understanding your own emotional responses is essential in this context. Understanding your own feelings and intentions helps you to respond authentically to her advances. Are you interested in pursuing a relationship, or do you prefer to just keep things platonic? Being clear about what you want allows you to communicate more honestly and, of course, to avoid sending mixed signals. Reflecting on your feelings also helps in managing your responses, ensuring they are aligned with your comfort level and true intentions. This introspection is crucial for building healthy and respectful interactions, as it enables you to engage in a way that is true to yourself and considerate of her feelings as well. Reflecting on your own feelings and intentions is valuable because it ensures that your interactions are grounded in authenticity and self-respect. It fosters a level of emotional intelligence that enhances your connections and helps in building meaningful relationships, whether romantic or platonic. This self-awareness is key to navigating the complex world of dating and relationships. Now, as we wrap up this intriguing topic, why not dive a little bit deeper? Up next, explore the things that girls say when they've been missing you, or get insights on how women flirt, the signs that men often miss. And thank you so much for joining us. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating content.